Okay, we're back, and as I've said, we've been bringing this area down here where the hand is. Just like that, where the hand grips around the okay. Up in this area, take a little bit off in here. Now it's really starting to look. See? Now, let me take a little bit more off. Continue to take a little bit more off on the cross in here. Get in here. There we go. Taking that off in there. Look at that. See? Okay. Let me take off a little bit more in here. Let me bring this down just a little bit more. Let that thumb stand out. A little bit more in there. You can always remove a little bit more of the okay. Let's round off just a little bit on that thumb. Okay, we're gonna kind of hit this a little bit. We're gonna kind of round that off just a little bit in there. That's the sleeve. I'm gonna kind of bring that down in there and leave this up here. What kind of gives it? See, it kind of gives it a. See how I'm kind of bringing that down in there. There it goes. Where it sort of gives it that. There we go. Just like that. See how I did that? Just sort of rounded it off in there. It gives it that look. You want to come over here and you want to round that off just a little bit. See how it begins to really take shape in those times. Where it looks like a sleeve and not just a straight piece of wood or anything like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bring it all the way down to a sort of a point in there. And just give it kind of a different look as we go by. Like there we go. Now let's bring this down just a little bit more. That cross. Okay, we're starting to, of course it's going to have to be more removed up here. Because you kind of look at your cross down here, and you kind of look at the measurements on it, see how wide it is, and then you do the same for the top of your cross, in other words. And if you look at this, And then you look at this, it's a lot wider up here than it is down here. Just sort of eye it, you know, just sort of give it an eye and look at it. There you go, just like that. Look at that, see? Okay. Now, of course, as you can see, we're running about 1/2 inch on this area here, so we're going to have to bring this down even more. Get your ruler, kind of measure what, for instance, hold on, let me see what I can do here, kind of show you this a little bit better.